Kasi tapos kayo manalangin.
Cheese!
Uy, hindi pa.
Cheese!
Cheese naman dyan.
Ayo.
Malakpak naman po. At this point, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the secondary and the principal sponsors. We'll start with the secondary sponsors. The best man, Mr. Reddy Sayo. Ayan. The maid of honor, Loverly Mangilit. Ayun, pretty girl. And then the groomsmen, starting with Mr. Edward Sayo.
Wow!
And then we have the one who did the prayer, Mr. Janlin Mangilit. And then we also have Mr. Oliver Mangilit. And then for the bridesmaid, we have Jamila Mangilit. We also have Sandy Sayo and Rosemary Sayo. And then for the principal sponsors, we have Brother Roberto Sayo. And then we have Brother Ronald Balares. And then the next one is Mr. Ronald Alejandro. And then